Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Pasta Hanger is probably one of the most innovative kitchen gadgets to hit the market in recent years, designed to revolutionize the way you store and organize your pasta. Imagine a world where your spaghetti, fettuccine, and other long pasta shapes are neatly suspended, preventing them from tangling, breaking, or becoming stale in their original packaging. This ingenious device not only keeps your pantry tidy but also ensures your pasta remains fresh and easily accessible, making meal preparation a breeze. It's a simple yet effective solution for anyone who loves to cook with pasta and wants to elevate their kitchen organization game. Number 5. iPstyle Folding Spaghetti Drying Rack, Green. Crafted from food-grade ABS material, this drying rack ensures your food is safe and healthy. You can confidently prepare your favorite pasta dishes without any worries about material safety. This versatile tool is ideal for drying all types of pasta, from spaghetti and fettuccine to lasagna sheets. It's the perfect companion for any fresh pasta maker. Featuring 10 hanging arms, each capable of holding a generous amount of pasta, it offers ample drying space. When not in use, it easily folds down for convenient, space-saving storage. Assembly and disassembly are a breeze, requiring no tools, just your hands. Cleaning is just as simple, needing only a quick wipe with a cloth. With a stable base and sturdy construction, this rack is built to last. Its practical design makes drying pasta an effortless task. Measuring 11 by 6.6 inches per arm, it provides ample drying capacity while remaining compact. Weighing only 0.21 kilograms, it's easy to handle and store. What we like? This pasta dryer is made of food-grade ABS material, ensuring safety and environmental friendliness. It's collapsible and foldable, making storage a breeze. If you're looking for a convenient and safe option for drying your homemade pasta, especially spaghetti and tagliatelle, this is a great choice. Its easy assembly and cleaning make it perfect for busy home cooks. What people say. It is so nice to be able to conveniently hang the pasta up to dry with this handy little gadget. And when you're done, you can simply wash it off with soap real quick and rinse it off, then fold it back up and put it away. This one is very easy to use and easy to clean. It folds up easily and doesn't take up much space. There are plenty of bars for holding the pasta and it slides right off when you are ready to cook it, or put it in containers to refrigerate or freeze. After assembling one time, it's very easy to use and then wash, dry and fold back up. I put a rubber band around them for when storing so they stay compact. Number 4. MyLifeUNIT Stainless Steel Pasta Strainer, 2-pack. Introducing the MyLifeUNIT Stainless Steel Pasta Strainer, your new kitchen essential. This set includes 2 strainers, perfect for a variety of cooking tasks. With its deep basket, it easily handles large portions of noodles, pasta, and even vegetables. Its generous capacity makes meal prep a breeze. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel, it ensures safety and durability. The wooden handle offers excellent heat insulation, providing a comfortable and secure grip. Its stable round base allows you to place it directly in water for cooking or reheating. No more worrying about it tipping over. The finely meshed holes facilitate quick drainage of water or oil. This feature speeds up your cooking and straining process significantly. Ideal for rinsing, straining, steaming, and much more. This versatile tool is perfect for pasta, dumplings, fries, and your favorite fruits and vegetables. What we like? This set includes 2 stainless steel mesh strainers with a deep basket design, perfect for rinsing, straining, and even cooking. The wooden hook handle provides good heat insulation. If you need a versatile tool for draining pasta, noodles, or even washing vegetables, and appreciate the convenience of having 2, this set is ideal for you. What people say. This pasta hanger is a game changer for drying homemade pasta. It's sturdy and holds a good amount of pasta without any issues. I love how easy it is to use this hanger. The arms are well spaced, allowing the pasta to dry evenly and preventing it from sticking together. It folds up neatly for storage too. Number 3. Cucina Pro Pasta Drying Rack. Introducing the Cucina Pro Pasta Drying Rack, crafted from all-natural wood. It's designed to help you dry your homemade pasta perfectly. Made with traditional, unfinished wood, this rack is completely natural and safe for food contact. Its sturdy construction ensures durability. With up to 12 feet of drying space, you can dry large batches of spaghetti and other noodles with ease. Air circulation is key to perfect drying. This rack is the perfect companion for your pasta maker machine. It ensures your homemade pasta dries evenly and prevents sticking. Simply hang your fresh pasta on the convenient handles. The design allows air to circulate freely, ensuring a professional drying result every time. What we like. Crafted from traditional, unfinished wood, this rack offers an impressive 12 feet of drying space. It's designed to allow air circulation, ensuring your homemade pasta dries perfectly. If you are serious about making homemade pasta and want a natural, safe, and spacious drying solution that complements your pasta maker, this is the perfect companion. What people say. The design of have the rods rest at both ends allows you to catch the noodles from the pasta maker and then easily put on the rack. It is tall enough to make long noodles of the same size. It assembles easily, only 8 screws. Each piece of wood is sanded smooth, cut perfectly, and solid. The finished rack is very stable and solid, so much so that you can hang a full wooden dowel of pasta on the outermost rung and it will not tip over. Each of the 10 wooden dowels can accommodate 11.5 of pasta. The design and ease of use of this pasta drying rack is excellent, very stable, easy to set up, and for making pasta, the footprint is not bad at all. Number 2. GOZIHA Kitchen Pasta Drying Rack, White. Tired of messy pasta making? This rack makes creating fresh, homemade pasta a breeze. Enjoy restaurant-quality noodles right in your own kitchen. Achieve the perfect texture for your pasta with this efficient noodle dryer. Its design ensures even drying, preventing sticking and clumping. Setting up is a snap, and when you're done, it stores away neatly. Spend less time fussing with equipment and more time enjoying your delicious creations. This pasta drying rack is specifically designed for home kitchens. It's the ideal tool for any home cook passionate about fresh pasta. Its clean white finish complements any kitchen decor. It's not just functional, but also a stylish addition to your culinary tools. Elevate your pasta game with this essential kitchen accessory. It's the perfect companion for all your fresh pasta endeavors. What we like. This pasta drying rack is designed for easy storage and quick setup, making it ideal for home use. It provides ample space for drying fresh homemade pasta. If you have limited kitchen space or want a no-fuss drying solution for your homemade noodles, this is a practical choice for everyday use. What people say. This wonderful device allows you to set it up in seconds and dries a batch of pasta in a small amount of space. This drying stand will hold a lot of pasta. It sets up in literal seconds, it is very sturdy, and I will use it often. This pasta dryer has plenty of capacity to hold family-sized amounts of pasta, yet folds compactly for storage in a standard kitchen drawer. It's also fully washable. Number 1. Eppicotispai EP102 Natural Beechwood Collapsible Pasta Drying Rack. Introducing the Eppicotispai EP102, a pasta drying rack crafted from beautiful, natural beechwood. Its elegant design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Made entirely from natural beechwood, this rack offers a sustainable and durable solution for drying your homemade pasta. It brings a touch of rustic charm to your kitchen. This clever item is designed to be collapsible, making it incredibly easy to build when you need it and just as simple to store away when not in use. Save space effortlessly. Enjoy over 10 square feet of pasta drying space. This generous area allows you to dry large batches of pasta efficiently, ensuring perfect results every time. Experience the quality and craftsmanship of Italian design. This pasta drying rack is proudly 100% made in Italy, reflecting a heritage of excellence. What we like. Made from natural beechwood and featuring a collapsible design, this rack offers over 10 square feet of pasta drying space. It's easy to build and store. If you appreciate high quality, natural materials, and a product that is proudly made in Italy, this collapsible pasta drying rack is an excellent choice for your kitchen. What people say. The superior craftsmanship is evident, it's a breeze to assemble, and it tucks away flat in a drawer. The dimensions are just right for crafting a variety of pasta types. It remains stable on the counter without tipping over, thanks to its support legs and balanced weight. It goes together easily and breaks down for storage without taking up much room. It's short enough to fit below my upper cabinets. The downside is it will only hold a small batch of pasta and shorter lengths. I love that it's made in Italy, which contributed to my decision to purchase it. Fully recommend. Lightweight, compact, stores easily, yet sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.